Meaning of expendable.
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 Expendable. The term expendable generally refers to something or someone that is considered disposable or replaceable. In other words, it can be used up or consumed without significant loss or consequence. This might be applied to material goods that are easily replaced or discarded, or to individuals who are seen as interchangeable and dispensable in a given situation. Ultimately, the notion of expendability suggests that the thing or person in question is not of great value or importance, and can be sacrificed without much concern for the consequences.